We've had people working together in every imaginable combination. Last year, we issued a report on the results of the first 10 CGIs, and in the later years, now more than 90% of our commitments reflect partnerships that include governments, the private sector, and civil society. This was not how philanthropy or politics or corporate responsibility operated a decade ago. And even today, there are some people who don't understand it or question whether it's a good idea. But if you look at the results, you and your predecessors have produced more than 3,200 commitments across the world that have helped more than 430 million people in more than 180 countries. 46 million children have access to better education, more than 110 million women and children better access to maternal and child health care. More than 27 million people increased access to clean drinking water. Now, to get things started, we have a lightning round of commitments. And as you listen to them, just remember, behind each one, there are real people, real faces, and real stories. Thank you very much.
I'm James Mwangi of Equity Bank. In Kenya, low transition, low secondary school completion rates, lack of access to financial services, and high unemployment rates deny many low-income people and women opportunities to escape poverty and realize their full potential. In 2010, we committed with MasterCard Foundation and the government of Kenya to provide financial literacy skills to more than 619,000 low-income youth and women and provide scholarships to over 672 secondary students. We are happy to report we have far exceeded our commitment goals with our partners. We have provided financial education to over 1,260,486 youth and women across the country, improving their financial practices and self-esteem of our trainees. Loan uptake has gone up 4 times, while savings have increased and loan quality improved. We have also provided comprehensive scholarships to more than 10,377 secondary students through our Wings to Fly program. These students have excelled in national exams, with 93% qualifying for university and a majority assuming leadership position in their schools and communities. Their performance have been nothing short of inspiring, validating our belief that given an opportunity, poor people are capable and industrious enough to work their way into prosperity.
Because we do these in a lightning round, they all understate the impact of what they did. But I just want to say one thing. Chelsea and I personally were present with James Mwangi in Kenya with 5,000 of the 10,000 kids that were in the Wings to Fly program. They had a graduation rate from high school of well over 90%, and of the graduates, over 90% of them went to university. There are much more well-developed countries in terms of income that can't begin to match those numbers. And I just wish you could have heard the stories. They had 10 people talking, one Muslim girl, all with her headscarf on, saying she was just determined not to be told she couldn't go to school, determined she would finish. There was a young man who said, I spent a lot of time in jail when I was younger. I liked going to jail. At least I had a roof over my head and food to eat. These people are university graduates. That's what we can do. The tread lines are more important than the headlines. Thank you very much.